Hello, coders! Today, we're working with 2D arrays in Java. Let's talk about and how to work with them. Using a simple matrix as an example. A 2D array is essentially an array of arrays, making it perfect for representing grids or tables of data. Just think of it like a dashboard with rows and columns. Here's a quick example of 3 by 3 matrix. We define it with curly braces, each row as an array inside the main array. We're using a nested for loop to print out the values row by row. So, when we run this code, it prints the matrix like this. Just like that, you've created and worked with 2D array in Java. You can access any element by using its row and column indices, like which will give you the value 6. 2D arrays are super handy for tasks like image processing, game boards, or even just storing tabular data. Give it a try in your next Java project.